Okay, I found a weed victim. We're going to take those 3-inch forks. We're going to find the center of that weed stem. Right? And once we have centered that on there, we're going to step on it, push it in, and simply pull back. And there you have it. I'm telling you, I did my whole yard in about 10 minutes with this Papa's Tools weed puller, and I'm telling you, it's amazing. Now you come to Go Ask Kit for a reason, because I bring you stuff that I believe in, and I did a lot of research choosing this one, and I would highly recommend you get this particular one, Papa's Tools, because of the quality of the handle and the quality of the head. It comes all packed. It comes all packed in one big box, all assembled, ready to go. So, thanks for stopping by, and if you're starting to enjoy my new content of who knows what it could be, always something different, but always something interesting, subscribe to my channel, Go Ask Kit. And if you have any questions, don't forget, Go Ask Kit.